This is my Turing-ring project. It's a Turing machine with a small circular tape, laser cut enclosure, combination of thin white on black acrylic and a much thicker black acrylic, and here I've painted through the protective film before peeling it. On the back it's got power in and some extra notes to keep the face simpler, and the bottom is USB access through to the Arduino Nano that's driving it. The only other thing going on here is there's a NeoPixel ring and this encoder, which has a built-in push button. So the ring is the tape. I can move the cursor around, and if I click on a symbol on the tape, it brings me out of tape mode into a menu mode, which lists around this side some menu options, but around this side different symbols. So I will pick white as a symbol for that element of the tape. And now I'm back in tape mode. So I'll define a really simple one-state machine. So from tape mode, if I press and hold on a thing that corresponds to a menu, it'll take me straight there. So press and hold on machine. Now it's listing all the possible machines, states for this machine. So we'll pick state A, which is red. Now it's listing all the possible transitions for a given symbol. Here are the input symbols it could read, and down here is the instruction, which is the symbol to write, the direction to move, and the state to change to. So we will choose, if we read the symbol X, which is a blank, we want to write a white symbol, and we want to move to the right, and we want to change the state to red, in other words the same state. Now if I go back one level, if we read a white symbol, we want to write a black symbol, move to the right, and stay in state red. So now I can run it, and there we have it. If I turn the knob, it changes the speed, and if I press the button, it stops. So that's the basics. There are a few other things built in. If I go to the menu and then choose the menu item called menu, there's a list of options over here. These are the ones that are listed on the back. So there are some examples. If I pick A, that will offer some examples. I happen to know that example E is a binary add. So here's one binary number where blue is white, and white is 1 and blue is 0. One binary number, another binary number. So if I run that, press and hold on run, it will eventually produce the result. But I can also go, other things that are built in, if I go menu and then, menu and pick F, it's a clock, where it's like 2:30 something, 2:34. So there you go, Turing ring.